here are your answers from yesterday. So have a look. I've put my working out as well, so hopefully if you have made any mistakes, you can see where you have gone wrong. Okay, today we're going to look at subtraction with regrouping. So I'm just going to say again how important it is that you do use some equipment if you have it, or use the virtual base 10 equipment to help you, or indeed draw it. It's going to be quite difficult without that, okay? So let's have a look at the first one then. I've got a little place value grid here. Again, if you've got one of these, if you're at school, you'll have them there. If not, you can just make your own like I have. We're going to start by talking through the first calculation. So it's 242 take away 128. Just the same as yesterday, we're going to line up our tens, hundreds, tens and ones, okay? So I've got them all like that, and then we've got our biggest number at the top, and we put the number we're taking away underneath. So just like yesterday, we'll start by building the top number. So 240, so that's 4 tens, and then 2. So there's my 242. And I need to take away 128. Just like before, we're starting with our ones, okay? So I've got 2 ones, I need to take away 8 ones. Now I've encountered a bit of a problem. I haven't got 8 ones to take away, so I can't do that yet. But I can exchange one of these tens. I know that one of these tens can be exchanged or regrouped for 10 ones. So I can swap that, and I'm not changing the size of the number. I'm just changing the way it looks and changing the column that it's in. So you can see there, I've just put that there to show you that I can exchange or regroup this 110 for 10 ones, okay? That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap it. I'm going to put the 10 there, and I'm going to change it for 10 ones. What does that look like written down, I wonder? Well, what I did was I took one of these 10s. So I took one of those, leaving 3 behind. So I'm going to cross out the 4 and change it into a 3. And I moved the 10 into the ones column to become 10 ones. So if I have 10 ones, add those 2 ones, that gives me 12 ones. So that is what I've done. I took a 10 from the tens column, I regrouped it to make 10 ones, and I added that to the 2 ones that were there to give me 12 ones, okay? Now, hopefully, I'll be able to do my subtraction. I have to take away 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely, I can do that now. Fantastic. I've got 4 ones left. Brilliant, that's ones done. Now subtract the tens, okay? So don't forget, on your document, you've got a picture of everything I'm doing here to talk you through it, okay? So next we're going to subtract the tens. I've got 3 tens here. I need to take away 2. Now, I can do that. I've got 3, I take away 2, leaving me with 1. 3, take away 2 is 1. That was nice and straightforward. Now I'm going to do hundreds. I've got 2 hundreds, I need to take away 100. That will leave me with 100. So the answer is 114, okay? Let's do another one. So this time, I'll change colour so you can see it's a different one, is 763, take away 207. So notice again, I've lined up my hundreds, my tens, and my ones, okay? So I'm going to build the top number, 700s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's my 700s. Okay, it's very difficult to put them all there, but I've counted them out and there are 7. 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 3 ones. Okay, so now I need to take away 207. Where are we going to start? That's right, we're going to start with the ones. I've got 3 ones, I need to take away 7. I can't do that, I haven't got enough. So I'm going to exchange. I'm going to take a 10 from the tens column and I'm going to exchange it for 10 ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's the same number, 1, 10, 10 ones. I'm going to swap them, I'm going to exchange them. What does that look like written down? Well, I couldn't do 3 ones, take away 7 ones. So I exchanged one of those 10s. I've got 5 10s left. And I put 10 into the ones column. I already had 3, so I've now got 13 ones. Now I have to do 13 ones, take away 7 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. There are 6 left. Now subtract the 10s. I've got 5 10s. I need to take away 0 10s. Well, if I don't take any away, I've still got 5 10s. And now the hundreds. Next we subtract the hundreds. 7 hundreds, take away 2 hundreds, leaves me with 5 hundreds. So the answer is 556. Okay, we've got a few more to try. So what I'd like you to do this time, I'm going to put the calculation on and I want you to pause and have a go at it. Now, it's really important that you are writing the method. Everything you do, you write down in the calculation as well as doing it with the equipment. If you do it step by step, you won't forget anything. So the first one is 548, take away 319. Okay, so pause the video. I'd like you to use your equipment, and again, you can use virtual equipment online if you don't have any at home, to do the calculation, and then unpause for me to go through the answer. Okay, let's have a look then. 548, so I've got 5 hundreds, 4 10s, and 8 ones. There we go. Okay, let's get started then. First we subtract the ones. 8 ones take away 9 ones. I don't have enough, so I'm going to exchange one of these 10s for 10 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right, so what I've done is I've exchanged one of those 10s, leaving 3 10s behind, and I've put it there. So I've had 8 ones, I've now got 18 ones. Now I can take away 9. There we go, leaving me with 9 ones left. Next, subtract the 10s. 3 10s I've got, I need to subtract 1, leaving me with 2 10s. So 3 10s take away 1 10 is 2 10s. And then hundreds, 5 hundreds, take away 3 hundreds, leaves me with 2 hundreds, 229. Let's do the next one. 977, take away 459. Pause the video, have a go, and then come back for the answer. Okay, 977, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 hundreds, 7 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s, and 7 ones. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Right, okay, first subtract the ones. I need to take away 9 ones. Haven't got enough. I'm going to exchange one of these 10s for 10 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, there we go. So I've taken that 10, leaving me with 6 10s, and I've exchanged it for 10 ones. So I did have 7, I've now got 10 more, so I've got 17. Now subtract the ones. 17 take away 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Leaves me with 8 ones. Now subtract the 10s. 6 10s take away 5 10s. Leaves me with 1 10. And hundreds, 9 hundreds take away 4 hundreds. Leaves me with 5 hundreds, 518. Okay, let's do one more with equipment then. So your next one is 880. 880 take away 656. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, I'm going to build the top number. 8 hundreds, 8 10s, and 0 ones. Okay, let's start with the ones then. I need to take away 6. Haven't got any at the moment, so I'm going to exchange a 10. So I'm going to swap this 1 10 for 10 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what I've done is I took one of my 8 10s, leaving 7 behind, and I added the 10 ones onto the 0 that were already there, giving me 10 altogether. Now subtract the ones. 10 take away 6, leaves me with 4. 7 10s take away 5 10s, leaves me with 2 10s. And 800s take away 600s, leaves me with 200s, giving 224. Right, I would like you to have a go at D, E and F. I'm not going to use equipment this time, but I am going to show you how you might draw it or just use the numbers, and then you're going to do some for practice. Okay, so pause the screen, have a go at D, E and F, and then come back and we'll talk through the answers. Right, so this time I'm going to show you how to solve it with drawing your equipment. So 992 first. Well, we need 900s, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need 9 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and we need 2 1s. Okay, right. Let's start by subtracting the ones. We need to take away 9 ones. So we'll show taking away by crossing out, but we can't do it. We don't have enough. So I'm going to exchange this 10 here. I'm going to change it from 1 10 into 10 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I've done is I've taken one of those 10s, leaving 8 behind, and I've added them onto the 2 to give me 12 ones. Now I need to take away 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, leaving me with 3. 12 ones, take away 9 ones is 3 ones. Next, I've got to take away 7 10s. Well, I put a circle on that, but what I should really have done is crossed it out because it's not there anymore. And then I need to take away 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 1 left. 8 10s, take away 7 10s is 1 10. And then hundreds, I've got to take away 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 1 left, giving me the answer 113. Okay, let's have a quick look at E and F then. I'm just going to do the numbers for these ones. So 783, take away 69. Please use the equipment still if you need to. 3 1s, take away 9 1s. I haven't got enough. So I'm going to exchange one of these 10s. I'm going to leave 7 behind and add 10 on, making 13 1s. 13 1s take away 9 1s, is 4 1s. Next, subtract the 10s. 7 10s take away 6 10s, is 1 10. And finally, subtract the hundreds. 7 hundreds take away 0 hundreds, 7 hundreds. And then the last one, 416, take away 307. First, subtract the ones. 6 1s take away 7 1s. Can't do that. I'm going to exchange. I'm going to take that 1, meaning there'll be none left. And I'm going to move it over to the ones column as a 10, giving me 16 1s, take away 7 1s, which is 9 1s. 0 10s take away 0 10s, 0 10s. And 400s take away 300s is 100, giving 109. Here's today's practice. This first bit is just talking you through what you might say when you do it. So don't get too confused here. If you're a bit stuck with that one, see if you can fill that one in. But then these are just the calculations, just like we've just done. And then 4 more there for you to join up the answers. And I'll be back tomorrow with your answers.